85% ng mga manggagawa sa Pilipinas ang nagbahagi ng positibo o neutral na pananaw tungkol sa kanilang job satisfaction. Sa Total Happiness Index score na 4.52 out of 7 points, mas marami nagsabing masaya at kontento sila sa kanilang trabaho. Kumpara noong kasagsagan ng COVID-19, tumaas ng 17% ang job satisfaction ng mga Filipino workers. Pero, ano nga bang dahilan sa likod ng pag-angat na ito? Para sa karamihan, work mobility, work-life balance at isang inclusive na work setup ang nagiging batayan ng kanilang kasiyahan sa trabaho, ayon sa Philippine Star. Pero, paano naman sa pinakamalaking business district sa bansa? Maraming opportunity, pero sapat ba ito para sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho? At higit sa lahat, talaga bang natutupad dito ang work-life balance at job satisfaction? Alamin natin ang mga opportunity at jobs in Makati.
Hi, I'm Sam. I'm 27 years old and I'm currently a copywriter for a boutique marketing agency. I love what I do and I find writing something that I truly enjoy doing.
Si Myra Villamer Advincula, 49 years old na. Dito sa showroom, taga-Bantay. Ako rin nagbibids nitong mga to. Pero yung boss ko lang nagde-design. Tapos ibinibids ko.
Carlo, 34. Angkas biker tapos part-time. Tapos meron akong regular job. Dito lang din sa Makati.
Hello guys, I am Grace Mojica. I am 23 years old right now. Currently, I am a sales and admin assistant of Lahat Jobs.
I'm Rafi Wunsilao, 26 years old, from Taguig. I'm casting rider.
I'm Merjin Castillo, 38 years old. I'm a rider controller. Rider controller is the one to dispatch the rider to and the store to pick up the order and to deliver the order in the customer.
I make around 26K. Yeah.
1,000 a day.
Parang quota ko sa isang araw at least 800 or 1,000 per day. Or depende rin, pagka medyo okay naman at malapit na ako sa bahay, umuwi na ako. So, okay na yung kita. Kasi need ko lang yung pan-daily.
I would not say the exact amount of how much my salary is, but it ranges around 20 to 25,000 per month.
1,000 to 1,500 per day. Pero umaabot naman po siya ng 30,000 per month po.
Maybe basic salary.
Yes, honestly. Because it gives me like a lot of like leeway and I'm able to balance like a lot my personal finances with the utilities I have to pay and it covers a lot also.
Enough naman.
Sobrang satisfied naman.
Right now, as a fresh graduate and a lot of experience, of course, I'm satisfied with it naman.
Yes po ma'am, kasi nakakatulong si Lahat Jobs sa family ko.
Yeah, yes, but not exactly.
Good range would be like I guess 26 to 30K.
Siguro sa ngayon parang okay na kasi may mga racket din naman ako sa labas pag wala ako ditong pasok.
Ako siguro hindi naman ako masyadong Sa work ko kasi nasa 5 digits.
If I have right experience and long-term experience as on kind of this field, I think my expected salary is around 25 to 30,000.
Tingin ko nasa 50K.
Of course, need 50K. Charot! 50K, charot.
I can't think of any cons at the moment because I only started recently, but the pro is that I really do like working with brands and I love writing in general. So it makes my job a lot easier because you get to enjoy what you do and I think of it more as a hobby than work. So yeah, no cons for me so far.
Ito, nag-enjoy ako sa kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Mababait yung mga boss ko. Nakakausap ko ng parang kaparehas ko lang. Mas gusto ko yung ganun.
Kung wala kang amo, kahit anong oras mo gustong bumiyahe, pwede. Tsaka kung kung ayaw bumiyahe, okay lang kung Yun lang. Walang wala kang iniintindi masyado na amo, yun nga. Siguro lang yung safety. Kasi syempre, sa kalsada ka, syempre maraming, kahit masyadong maingat, meron pa rin mga ibang hindi maingat sa kalsada. Yun lang siguro yung pinaka-risk siguro. Ayan.
When you communicate with a lot of people, medyo nag-evolve yung pakikisama mo sa ibang tao. And being able to be a sales, in the word sales, you have to talk with a lot of people. Not only normal people, but with those people that has positions in this industry naman. Mahirap maghanap ng outfit. Kasi every day, we don't have any uniforms, to be honest. And you have to be well prepared every day as if mamamatay ka na that day. Kasi when you are a sales and admin assistant, you have to be, prepared, and you have to be very prim and proper. Kasi hindi mo alam, may makakaharap ka na ng mga clients and mga companies na magiging partner mo.
Pinakagusto ko is parang nalilibot ko po yung Metro Manila, and then parang nakakapasyal pa po ako lalo at nag-enjoy ako habang nag-drive. Sa akin po, for me, parang wala naman akong gusto kasi nasa labas naman ako nagagawa ko naman po lahat yung dapat kong gawin.
I like my job, but sometimes have some stress. So I don't like the stress.
I would recommend it definitely, but it's a matter of finding like the job best fit that balances both the salary and your passion and hobby, so it doesn't feel like a job and it's more of something that you truly enjoy doing.
Ini-encourage ko naman sila po na inayaya ko pumasok dito, kaya lang yung iba, may naipasok na ako, pinsan ko tapos friend ko. Hindi siya tumagal sa work ko. Hindi nila kayang gawin to.
Oo, kasi okay naman din kasi yung kita Sa araw-araw meron kang income, hindi ka na maghihintay ng, di ba sa iba, sense katapusan. Yung kasi araw-araw meron ka ng hawak Yun yung maganda. Kaya recommended din.
The degree that I have right now is very far from the positions that I am taking. And I think, yes, I can recommend this position to my colleagues or my friends, given the fact that yung course nila is aligned to the position. And as for me kasi, hindi siya aligned. So I have, of course, difficulties catching up with new knowledge kasi hindi siya napag-aralan beforehand. But, of course, I can still recommend this.
Oo naman po. Nire-recommend ko po talaga siya sa mga friend ko, and minsan sa mga mas nakakilala po sa akin at nakakasalubong ko sa kalsada.
In other part, yes. But in other part is not.
So sa ping trabaho, hindi lamang sahod ang mahalaga, kundi pati career growth, job satisfaction, financial stability, at work-life balance. Ikaw lang makakapili ng landas na babagay sa'yo. Tandaan, ang tagumpay ay hindi lang sa kung gaano kalaki ang kita, kundi kung gaano kakasaya sa ginagawa mo. Kaya simulan mo na ang next move mo. Kung gusto mong lumago ang iyong career at makaharap ng trabahong swak sa'yo, i-download na ang Lahat Jobs. Dito, may oportunidad na naghihintay para sa'yo. Don't forget to like, share, at i-follow kami para sa mas marami pang career tips at job insights. See you in our next episode.